Welcome to Lesson 1 of our free course on Mastering ChatGPT. Today, we're diving into the essentials of ChatGPT, a powerful AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. Think of it as your super smart assistant, ready to help you with a variety of tasks. Whether you need help with writing, coding, brainstorming, summarizing information, or even translating languages, ChatGPT has got you covered. It uses a sophisticated language model to understand your questions and respond in a way that feels natural and human-like. The best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz to use it. Now, let's get you set up. To start using ChatGPT, head over to chatopenai.com. If you're new to the platform, you'll see a Sign Up button. Click that and you can register using your email, or you can sign up with your Google or Microsoft account. If you already have an account, just click Log In and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a chat window. This is where all the magic happens. Let's put it to the test with a simple example. Type in, "Give me 5 dinner ideas for tonight." Just like that, you'll receive instant suggestions tailored to your request. It's incredibly versatile. You can ask it to draft emails, generate creative ideas, or even break down complex topics into simpler explanations. The more specific you are with your prompts, the better the responses you'll get. As you start using ChatGPT, remember that it's all about experimenting. Don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions or refine your requests. The more you engage with it, the more you'll discover its capabilities. That wraps up our first lesson. You now have a solid understanding of what ChatGPT is and how to get started. Enjoy exploring this amazing tool, and remember, the more you practice, the more proficient you'll become.